I couldn't even tell you what exactly.
Like take a 1/4 inch off.
Yeah, maybe a half. You think a half would be too much?
Half inch.
Half
That's
inch?
probably about that much.
I do what's a 1/4. That's good. 1/4 is good. And then I want a ball fade. I'll do a ball.
You want a ball fade or a regular fade?
I couldn't decide. What you think?
How about a ball fade?
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
That's it?
Yep.
How's life been treating you?
Good. My new job. 2 months in. With DSCC. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Hurts getting up at 6 a.m., but you gotta do what you gotta do. Cole, I already saw Mike Tomlin is not leaving the Steelers, bro.
Is he?
Mike Tomlin is not leaving the Steelers. He already said that. He said an interview asked him, how do you feel if a team starts reaching out to you? He said, no, we're not going to get anyone better. Mike McCarthy isn't as good as Mike Tomlin, bro. Like, Mike Tomlin cares about his players more than Mike McCarthy does. I would say. Mike McCarthy's been mediocre too. He's the same way. He's the same person Mike Tomlin is.
Well, I'll be back in like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. See ya. You too.
You cut Grant lately?
Well, a couple days ago.
A couple days ago? You see his new tattoo yet? Or not?
Yeah, man. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is sweet, isn't it? That detail's crazy. He's a big Batman guy, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You got Joker on there, you got Bane on there.
No, the Joker ain't colored in.
I don't think the Joker's colored in now. I don't know though.
Told me it was 2200.
Yeah, but the detail on that, it's worth it. You know, if you're gonna have that on you the rest of your damn life, you might as well spend as much as you can.
Right.
Like, I would be willing to spend whatever if it's gonna look good, you know? It's just like a haircut, like...
2200.
No, but like, there's haircuts that you can get for $30, $40, but yeah, you're gonna be going to sports clips and it's gonna look like not good. Or you're gonna spend what I pay you and it's gonna look great. Which one do you want? You know?
You got any tattoos?
I got one right there. It's my grandpa's birthday. I want to get more, but I just don't know what. I don't want to get like a random tattoo. You got any?
No, I don't have any. I've never had a desire.
No. Is Jordan giving birth this week or what? Says Jordan giving birth this week or what? On her birthday?
On Jordan's birthday. I'm betting.
Who do you want to win the Super Bowl?
Anybody but Kansas City.
I agree, dude. I do not want to see them in there. Now the Steelers are out. I'm rooting for the Lions for sure.
Yeah, same here.
They just been down and out forever.
Sorry ass Kansas City deliberately lost that game to keep Cincinnati out.
Yeah, they did. 100%.
Because they know Cincinnati was on the run, man.
Cincinnati would have been a problem in the playoffs for sure.
Yeah, there's some little hoes for doing that.
They are. Pat Mahomes is scared of Joe Burrow. That's why. He's already lost to him twice. Or 3 times. 1 to 2.
Got him shook, huh?
You said what?
Said Burrow's got him shook, huh?
Yeah, he does. But their defense is so bad. I don't even know if they could have done much, to be honest. Like, they're all, yeah, Joe Burrow's insane. So is Jamar Chase, but their offense is horrible. I mean, their defense is horrible. So much better.
How long has your brother been an Ohio State hater?
Forever.
How long, dude?
Forever.
Are you from here?
Yeah, he was born and raised here. Born and raised here, he's a hater. I know.
Hater.
Born and raised here. Isn't that crazy?
What's the reasoning?
What's the reasoning? Ohio State fans tend to grind my gears a little bit.
The fans? What about the team?
The team, nothing. I just hate the fans.
That's
Damn,
great.
is that bad?
Yeah, it's that bad.
There are some fans
These
that.
numbers on?
Yeah.
Yeah. It bullies me a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, this is all bad. Hey, that's crazy.
I will fully admit I am a hater.
I don't know what to do.
I'm a hater. Yeah, go to Alabama. I'll be honest with you. I'm like, oh.
It's way better than NFL now, I'm not gonna lie. NFL this year so far has been boring as hell.
The result of the Texas.
Yeah, Dave hates Ryan there. I mean, Dale hates Ryan there. You still hate him, Dale?
Yeah. I mean, I don't hate the guy, but he sucks as a coach.
I can see that.
Now, if he can get 8 wins, against Michigan, he'll be back in my graces.
It's gonna take a while.
8 years, right?
Unless they see him in the playoffs too. The spread is supposed to beat him by 10. I think we'll beat him by more than 30. I think it's gonna be a 14-point game at least.
Hey, Chris, is there such a thing as a Cinderella team in football? Okay, because that's Notre Dame.
You think they're gonna beat him, Dale?
I don't think they're going to win, but the fact that they're there is amazing to me.
I mean, who'd they play to get there? They lost-
Beechcroft, Warner Ridge, Eastmore, South,
Exactly.
Liberty Union.
I agree. They better.
As long as they win. I said seriously. I don't think
Ohio State already beat the 2 best teams in the playoffs.
Really?
Oregon and Texas.
they're the 2 hottest teams.
Michigan beat Alabama. You like Travis?
Acting like I'm on the phone. Huh?
You like Travis Scott?
Oh, he cool. Yeah, I like Travis Scott.
You see how people are going crazy over Jack Sawyer now?
Oh, yeah.
They like have signed helmets by him like he's...
He was in La Fregata last night.
Was he?
You make a big ring, baby.
Oh,
Thanks, Flip. Is Pickerington?
I don't know. I've known him forever.
He was around greatness.
Yeah, I guess.
I didn't even know that.
I did back in high school. I mean, our freshman year when I saw him play, I was like, all right.
What you like? He already is. I think that place cemented in the first round.
I wonder if he's related to Tom Sawyer.
No. That play was so lucky too. No, the
Chase
ball.
didn't even know who Tom Sawyer is.
No, I don't, but I know who he's related to. It's not Tom Sawyer. I know his parents.
You know his player?
His parents.
Born 2001.
What are the odds that he would get the sack?
And the ball bounces right to him.
It was a perfect bounce, too.
Perfect bounce. It was love.
In stride.
Were you guys happy about
I'm gonna be honest with you.
I'm a high State fan.
I think I was the only mad person in Columbus.
I am not a he's mad.
Everybody, Columbus.
Hooray, I'm for the other team. That's him.
Sat down on my couch and watched.
All right, I'm going to bed.
Where are you going? Well,
Sawyer in the night.
fucking Sawyer.
You actually want to take my win that.
Yeah, he did. He changed the group. We have a group chat name. He changed it to Go Horns. Horns up.
Oh, horns up. Wow.
Yeah, and then he changed it to Fighting Irish. I switched it back real quick though.
Why are you just
Yeah.
put like a fucking like spray crank like brown? My head looks good, like that. I think it's fucking burger. Climbing deal.
I enjoy it. It's bored. It's going through it. What did he do there?
Like customer service.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you probably had people calling and bitching all the time about losing their money.
Yep. Getting right there.
That would suck. Yeah. Like it's like a cool job. It's like random, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wonder if he was just like, oh, I'm gonna fly, you know? It goes on like Indeed or something.
I really don't know. I think he just applied to the position. He got it. I know that.
How old is he?
Oh, Hanson probably 26.
26, okay. like this sinus infection.
Really? Take anything?
Yeah, I went to the doctor yesterday. He gave me antibiotics. Sure. Yesterday, the sinus infection was so bad. He's like, here, take these. He took them last night, woke up this morning, and it was like light years.
Yeah. Went to the hospital twice. They told us that real estate. Room full of holes. 36 hours. But the stress. So they have to C-section. My wife's stepmom.
Alright, I'll see you Saturday. 3-day weekend at a time. And it's Friday, you're like, yes.
Yeah, that's, I always wondered what that felt like.
Yeah.
Yeah.